These rims are completely rusted through. We'll need heavy equipment.
I can barely get this door open. This door is completely seized. We'll need the winch.
Yeah, the rust is extensive. Look at this frame.
I've got the sign cleared, but the glass is everywhere inside.
Keep the tension steady.
We're clear on this side. Stop, right there.
Okay, easy now. Watch the cables. Bring it left, slowly, slowly. Don't rush it. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch the edge. Clear behind you.
Make sure that bolt is secure. It's tight. Aligning the next one now.
New turbo fits perfectly. Good. I just finished tightening the manifold. We should be set.
Make sure that's set to the right spec.
Yeah, 50 foot-pounds. There we go.
Hand me the torque wrench, please.
Here you go. Is the alignment set?
Almost. Just need to secure this bolt.
And we have ignition.
Sounds solid, belts are spinning true.
No knocks or pings down here.
Wave to them! Hi everyone! This is the best field trip ever.